Hello and welcome all. So today's topic is successor and predecessor. So in this vlog I'll explain you about these two terms as well as I'll take few examples related to this. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now, what is successor? The number that comes immediately after a particular number is called the successor of that particular number. Like if anybody asks you what is the successor of 0, so what is coming after 0? 1 is coming, okay? And what is the method for finding it out? You simply have to add 1 in that particular number, okay? Like in this we have to find the successor of 0, so 0 plus 1 comes out 1. Now what is the successor of 1? So 1 plus 1 will get 2, okay? Then come predecessor. The number that comes just before a particular number is called the predecessor of that particular number. Like predecessor of 2. So before 2 what is coming? 1 is coming, so 2 minus 1 comes out 1. And what is the predecessor of 3? You simply have to subtract 1 from that particular number, so 3 minus 1 and we'll get 2, okay? So simple method to understand these two terms is if we have to find the successor, we simply have to add 1 in that particular number, and if we have to find the predecessor of that particular number, we simply have to subtract 1 from that particular number and we'll get the answer, okay? Now let's do one exercise related to this topic. Now in this we have to find the successor and predecessor of. So first is 1. So we have to find the successor as well as predecessor of 1. So what is the successor? As I explained you earlier, you simply have to add 1 in that particular number. So 1 plus 1 comes out 2. Now what is the predecessor of this number? You simply have to subtract, okay, and you will get the answer. So you will get 0. So predecessor of 1 is 0, okay? Then number 15. What is the successor of 15? 15 plus 1 comes out 16. And what is the predecessor? Means pre means before. What is coming just before 15? 14 is coming, okay? And what is the method for finding this out? Simply subtract 1 from 15 and we'll get 14, okay? Then next is 20. So what is the successor of 20? After 20 what is coming? 21 is coming. And what is the method? You simply have to add 1 in that particular number. So 20 plus 1 comes out 21, okay? And what is the predecessor of this same number? So what is coming before 20? 19 is coming, okay? And what is the method? You simply have to subtract 1 from that particular number. So 20 minus 1 and we'll get 19. Then last part is 51. What is the successor of 51? 51 plus 1 will get 52. And what is the predecessor of this number? You have to subtract from 1 from 51. So 51 minus 1 and we'll get 50, okay? So this is the method of finding successor and predecessor. I hope this topic is clear to you, okay? So see you very soon in my next vlog. Till then, take care and keep practicing.